Ho ho ho, hey friends and Merry Christmas! I hope your holidays are going amazing and full of joy. Today I decided to give myself a little gift between the celebrations, a quick scalping session just for fun. Normally I record videos especially for you guys, but today I wanted to trade a bit for myself. Just how I like it. Aggressive, spontaneous, and festive. I'll be doing a few short sessions, just going with the flow, but I think it will still be interesting and you might learn something too. Let's get started and make sure you watch until the very end to find out how to join our special giveaway. You ready? Let's go! To be honest, I still can't find a better strategy for myself than Impulse Sniper. So we are tasted so many indicators, but this one is different. It's just my favorite one. Okay, Bollinger Bands 10, Deviation 2, remove with the line, everything what we usually do. And also EMA for 5. That's great. So I've got 1600 left over from my last video, so let's put it to work now. And immediately I open 300 and 600 back using Martingale multiplicator. And well, yep, good rehearsal. Let's warm up. You see our indicators green like Christmas tree. And I hope this Christmas tree will bring me great gifts today. Okay, another impulse. Boom. Okay, we're going hard. Risky. Anyway, we're still in positive balance. 600. Yeah. And we already 1000 plus. Let's pick another pair. Something sweet. For me, 300. Boom. That's good. As usual, when I just start session, someone message me on my Telegram. You also can do this. Don't forget, I have 2 Telegram channels. All the links in the pinned comments. One is private. It's our trading community. Daily sessions, giveaways, a lot of different trading insights. A community for someone who really wants to grow trading skills. And, of course, also my main Telegram channel. Not private, it's a simple one. Okay, let me open just for 300. It's also, like you will see all the results from the private trading sessions. You will see a lot of great info, articles about trading, and it's also a great community for people who want to invest in profit in themselves. And okay, guys, we're going hot. 2000 in plus already. Wow, it's a good gift. Jump already for 400, 1200 now in the game, and boom! Haha, that's crazy. 4760 already here on the balance. Christmas candies. Wow, 1 in minus, 2 in minus, 1 in plus. It's okay. 5000 in the game. Let's pick something good for next scalping. Yes, I see impulses, potential impulses here. 400, just to test. Yes, whoa. That's something what I really love. That's how I trade when I want a good mood, positive vibe trading. Well, 400. I just add a little amount, like my deposit, and try to do some fun. Well, 1600 trade, and we cover losses. Thank you, Martingale strategy. 400 in the game, but I see the trend is too high, too strong. I don't have a mood to fight with this trend right now. It's better to find something better like this 800 in the game for impulse. Oof, it's reversed. Well, another 800. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I mean. That's what I want. Another 400 and boom. That's also good. Well, we already almost 5,000 in plus. If someone will give me 5,000 for my Christmas, I'll be super happy. But I will gift it to myself, I hope. I hope if this session will go the same, with no force majeuric. Okay, now we 5,000 clear in profit, guys. 5,000 clear in profit. Let's increase the amount for 500 now for the trade. And let's open another couple trades. I think I will make, because you also have time in Christmas with families, you celebrate, you enjoy your life. So I will make 2 short sessions. If you will miss trading, go to Telegram, to my private channel, to this daily trading sessions there. Here. Oof, guys, I'm talking too much. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oof, it was important. Did you see this? Whoa, it's okay. Another trade, and it's another profit. Sell based on impulse sniper strategy. Well, guys, I think enough is enough. I make myself a great gift, almost 7,000 clear profit. That's crazy, right? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember that trading always involved risk. I'm experienced and this was an aggressive session for me, but I'll definitely do another like this. Maybe next time with a glass of champagne or just some coffee. We will see. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas to you all. Whoa, that was a great session. Now it's time to chill. Here's how to join the weekly giveaway. Every Friday, we run a giveaway starting at $10, often going much higher depending on the channel growth. It's all in your hands, guys. The more people in the community, the bigger the prizes. One day, I want to send 1,000 to someone. To participate, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my Telegram channel, like this video, leave a comment below, and message me directly in Telegram. I'll confirm your entry and share extra promo codes too if you need this. Let's keep growing together. I'll see you in the next session. Merry Christmas. Wish you all the best. Peace.